And welcome to break 1290 for the 2019 Gold Rush Football Value Pack. We want to thank everyone for getting the break and all of you watching. Let's go ahead and check out the current date and time according to eBay. It's Wednesday, December 11th, 2019. It's 10:08 p.m. Eastern Time, 9:08 p.m. Central Time, and 7:08 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have Kelly 3 spots, James 7, Justin 9, JC Murphy 1, Guy 1, BSBR 2, Band 2, Benz 2, Chris 1, Kraus 1, Collectible Cards 1, and SSJT with 2 spots. We're going to randomize everyone 7 times to determine your team or teams for the break, with Kelly on top, SS on the bottom once. Twice. 3 times. 4. 5. 6. And lucky number 7 has BSBR on top and Kelly on the bottom. Alright, BSBR with the Cardinals, Band Falcons, Guy Ravens, Band Bills, Kelly Panthers, Justin Bears, James Bengals, Kelly Browns, James Cowboys and Broncos, Justin Lions and Packers, Ben Texans, Justin Colts, James with the Jaguars, Chris Chiefs, Justin Chargers Rams, Kraus Dolphins, SS Vikings, Justin Patriots, JC Murphy Saints, Justin Giants Jets, Ben with the Raiders, collectible cards going to the Eagles, James Steelers, 49ers, SS Seahawks, James with the Buccaneers, BSBR Titans, and last but not least, Kelly has the Redskins. So 3 hits and everything will ship. And we will start with a Melvin Gordon for the Chargers. A little jersey action there. Let's see. Player worn material for Melvin Gordon. Very nice. And we have Christian Kirk, Arizona Cardinals Prism Auto. Sweet. And then, last but not least, Leaf Flash Photography Pre-Production Proof Clear Green Minka Fitzpatrick 1/1. And Minka will look up. For those of you that don't know already, it's going to go to the Steelers, but we will look it up to show that Minka Fitzpatrick has completely changed dynamics of the Steelers defense. All right, let's go back through and see who's getting what, starting with the Melvin Gordon jersey for the Chargers. The Chargers is going to Justin. Congrats, Justin. Then we have Mr. Christian Kirk, Arizona Cardinals auto. Arizona Cardinals is going to BSBR. Congrats, Brian, on the Christian Kirk Prism Auto. And last but not least, Mr. Minka Fitzpatrick, Clear Green, 1/1. And that is a flash photography of him at Alabama. So what we'll do is show you the team he currently plays for. Forgot the L in NFL. And he is the Pittsburgh Steelers free safety. And the Pittsburgh Steelers are going to James. Congrats, James, and congrats, everybody, and thank you, everybody, for getting into the break. We do appreciate it. That was break 1290 for the 2019 Gold Rush Football Value Pack. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break, and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. And if you haven't already, be sure to click that red subscribe button right next to your right thumb. You can follow us on Instagram, Twitter, follow us on eBay. So we appreciate that. We would hope to see you all very soon, and stick around for the bonus break spot. Thanks.